Yo, what's up, my family? I haven't done a Zoom call in a while, especially in regards to futures trading, but that's all cool because I'm about to give you guys the whole rundown on what's been going on and what's been going on in the futures trading world. Um, I'm gonna let you guys know what happened with apex.com. Oh, it's not this website. Apex Futures. All right, so I was talking about this and I was talking about how I got funded with these guys. But what I failed to realize is that they have a trailing drawdown. So if you're up, no matter what, if you're up in profits, you always forever have $3,000 to risk. Um, the stop loss follows you, so you can't even compound. If they do have a scaling plan, I'm not sure, but this website really fucking threw me off because I was in profit, and when your open trade retraces on you, not only are you down what you got stopped out with, but you're also down the profit that got retraced, if that makes sense. So let's say, for example, let me pull up TradingView real quick. These people are, I believe these people are scammers because of the fact that they don't explain this properly when you first sign up. So let's say you're in a buy, right? And you're up $500. Let's just say you're up $500 in a buy for gold. One second, give you guys a quick example so we can get to the rest of what this video is actually about. So let's say you got into a buy and you're up $500. All right. And you're risking $300 for that trade, and your total goal is to make 900 in that trade. All right. So let's say you got in right here. Let's say you got in right here, got in a buy, and right here you're up 500, right? Let's just say you're up 500 from right here. Let's say you move your stop loss to over here. That 500 goes all the way down to $100. You get stopped out. All right. You made $100, but because your 500 pulled back, all right, because your 500 pulled back to $100, that was negative 400. So now you're down 400 on your account balance because you let this profit pull back. And the other websites aren't like that. It's so stupid. So a better example is, let's say you get in a buy from this point right here. Let's just say the chart is right here. You get into a buy right here and it pulls up on you. And you're in profits, let's say another $500, let's just say. And you go break even right here. You're break even on your trade right here. And the price pulls back and hits you out. All right. Because the full trade pulled back and hit you out break even. Now you're down $500 on your trailing drawdown. And that's not fair because you're placing your stop loss at break even because you're being a safe trader, and next thing you know, the trade ends up still going in your direction, but you're still down $500 in your trailing drawdown. Now, let's say this is the worstest example that happened to me. I got into a buy and it goes into profit, and I'm expecting it to keep going up, right? I didn't move my stop loss to break even or anything. The price ended up going in my favor a lot, and I didn't move my stop loss to break even. I wasn't looking at the chart, and the trade pulled back fully and hit me out at my stop loss. And I was up like $800. And my stop loss is always $300, 0.3%, because I trade with a six-figure account. Dude, not only did my trailing drawdown go down negative 800, but it also went down the 300 that my stop losses were. So now I'm down negative $1,100 because of that trailing drawdown move, the trailing drawdown rule that these guys have that they don't explain to you. So it doesn't even matter if your trade was in profit. They'll count that to your trailing drawdown. It doesn't matter if you saw positive numbers. If you let that money get given back to the market, they'll count that as money you lost as well. And that's why I do not recommend ever spending any money with these people. They're scams. So I am funded now with a different group of people, a different, more reliable source. And I'm not affiliated with these people at all. I'm just letting anybody know who watches my videos that there's options for you available so that you don't have to trade your own money, and it's actually stuff that's worth it. So we got Top Step. A lot of my friends are funded and they receive payouts. And I'm funded myself by these guys and I receive payout with Top Step. You can go into the website and do your own research. They do have a trailing drawdown, but it's not the one like the other website where they're gonna count um, what you lost in profit as well as your stop loss. Right here, if you get stopped out, that's the only thing they're counting. You can be up 1,000, and if the full trade pulls back on you and stops you out break even, they're not going to count the $1,000 towards your trailing drawdown. So this is way more realistically, way more realistic, and this is way better. It's super easy to pass. You only need to make 6%. And since we trade by percentage and trade by risk to reward, me and the team for 6% is easy to make. So long story short, we got Top Step, and we also got this other website that I'm taking an exam on currently called Take Profit Trader. So right here, let's see if it lets me log in automatically. Oh, it doesn't. All right, so yeah, Take Profit Trader. So right here, I'm taking this exam. I like this exam because they let you have payouts even faster than the Top Step. So this is definitely something to do your research on and look into. Like I said, I am not affiliated, but you can become an affiliate. Um, they got a promotion going on right now, no fee 40. Click that link for details. I do not work for them, so I'm not going to break that down for y'all. But there's options available for us to prosper in these markets, man, and legit options too. This is not financial advice. Anything you do is completely up to you. But like I said, so I'm talking about this futures journey with you guys, and there's been some crazy moves going on in the markets lately, and I just would love to talk about it. I want to just talk about AU real quick. I didn't get into these trades at all, but it's good to break it down. Let me see this replay button. All right, so right here on AU, we'll delete this. Right here on AU for this month of April, crazy moves have happened. And this has happened on every pair, not the same exact move, but crazy moves has happened on every single pair. And this is just so you guys can understand the crazy amount of opportunity that's available for all of us when it comes to trading. So right here on AU, we got this was around Tuesday, April 16th that it happened. This exactly was Wednesday, April 17th, right here, 2024. Right here, we're looking at the 4-hour time frame, and this is going to be a quick breakdown. 4-hour time frame, we see all of this downtrend. Beautiful price action, easy sells on the 4-hour time frame. We got this whole downtrend, but if you scroll to your left, like a lot of mentors like to say, you gotta look left to get right. We have this last down candle before the up move, considered an institutional candle, exactly at 63830, 0.63830, right here at the tippity top of that black candle. I'm gonna put another line around it so it's more clear. Put a line around it on the bottom. All right. So as you can see, we have this whole area right here, and it's amazing what happened in this area. The other side of that candle is 0.63700. So we're about to see what happens in this area and why this was such a significant area um, for AUD USD futures and AUD USD in general too. So there you go. It wicked in there one time. And I had this area marked out, man. Like it was so textbook. You can see just right here, from here to here, let's pause it. Just from here to here, that risk, let's see how much risk that was. Beautiful price action, man. Using the rules, using the secret tools that we break down in our team. Just from here to this equal high right here, that is a 1-to-8, risking 28 points. Man, you know, there's amazing moves like this happening so easily all the time. Let's just play to see how it keeps playing out. And within this price action, there's a lot of entries you could have caught too on a lower time frame. I was just showing you guys a higher time frame entry on AUD USD for the month of April. It's just amazing. There you go. So all of that AUD USD, you know what I'm saying? So there's big opportunities in the market, easy to identify. And that whole move swept below all these lows right here. Swept below all these lows right here, just to tap that last down candle on a 4-hour time frame and zoom right back up. And I can break down some lower time frame entries for you guys. After it hit that 4-hour area, look at what happened on the 15-minute and the 5-minute time frame. Just clean, Mr. Clean stuff. All right. So let's say you move that 4-hour time frame area. You missed that 4-hour time frame area, I meant to say. Let's say you missed it. Now you can just depend on lower time frame price action to get you into another trade. Now I'm gonna use this arrow tool to display to you guys how simple trading can be. Oh yeah, you missed this? Cool. You'll typically want to wait for a pullback. It doesn't give it to you, that's fine. Just wait on price action to break new highs. There, you got a new high broken. Now, pull back into this institutional candle, the same thing I showed you on the 4-hour time frame. There's your entry. Let's see the risk to reward on that. Damn, beautiful. Let's say you just want to hold it to that same equal high that I showed you on the 4-hour. That's a 1 to 13 because of the fact that you're getting in on a smaller time. Same equal high that I was showing you earlier. But yeah, trading is not hard at all. You just got to know what you're looking at. But yeah, family, so be aware with the futures trading world. Honestly, I got caught by surprise spending money with Apex. Money just went to the drain, but it's okay. I paid for my experience so that you guys don't have to experience that unfortunate discomfort. You know what I'm saying? So I hope this video reaches the right person. I do trust Take Profit Trader. I haven't received a payout from them. I do trust topstep.com, the first website. You can just rewind. I have received a payout from them and I am funded by them. I can show you my certificate, but I would have to look for it in my email. I'm not about to break down my email on a live Zoom call either. So, but long story short, in my previous videos, I said that I will share withdrawals and I will share proof that trading works, and that's still coming. You know, I've been really busy. Don't worry. I will show live videos of me actually getting withdrawals because things are really happening. Me and the team are really eating. So stay tuned. And if you want to join our group, don't be afraid to hit me up on Instagram. Just DM me at $70 billion motion. And yeah, we're here. Peace and be easy. Take care.